Here's a simple fix-it for a car that makes a grinding noise when turning. Reason 1. Bad wheel bearing. A worn bearing can grind or roar when turning and gets louder the faster you drive. Reason 2. Failing CV joint. A damaged CV joint can cause grinding or clicking when turning tightly, especially at low speeds. Reason 3. Brake dust shield rubbing. A bent or loose shield can scrape the rotor and make a grinding sound while turning. Reason 4. Worn brake pads. If the pad is extremely worn, the metal backing can grind against the rotor. Reason 5. Tire rubbing. Oversized tires or a damaged fender liner can rub when the wheel is turned. If the grinding changes when you turn left or right, it's usually a failing wheel bearing. This was another simple fix-it.